Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Day 20 and where is the door? Here it is down here next to the skiing kangaroo. Let's open up door 20 and see, and it is another pile of snow, but we get a little sled. Yes, we can play in the snow. We can make this fun. Let's open it up. Alrighty, I'll start with doing the pile of snow here. Look at that, done already. And this is the little sled, and I need to do the little seat for it now. And it's perfect size for the micro doll, and I'm going to use Mia. Stack hat on for safety, and we're gonna rev it up and go up this slope. There we go, and let's try and go down it. Woohoo! Day 20 gone. Do you know what that means? 5 sleeps to go. And Mia's too excited. She's doing snow burnouts. 5 sleeps to go. I am so excited. I hope all of you are too. Christmas is coming.